What are you doing? Are you painting with your yogurt? Oh my goodness, Eli.
Yes, Asian boy, welcome to
You're-
an Italian restaurant.
What are you doing? Andy.
Happy face.
Ah.
Happy face.
Happy face. Can you show me a happy face? Wow, you're pretty gross, Eli. Are you enjoying your yogurt? I would say the Motrin has kicked in a little bit.
Just hilarious.
The pain's just broken him. Oh, Eli.
Happy face.
Somehow just using... Somehow using the spoon just seems like it's taking it too... I think he's just snapped.
Eli, you're supposed to eat that yogurt, not put it on your hand.
Are you going to eat it off your hand? Happy face. Happy face. Ew. Gross. Oh, no, get away from me. Get away from me. Ew. Ew. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.